If you have a high ping in Marvel Rivals, first thing we can try is to click on play, and then in the top right corner you can find the servers. And now you can switch between different servers and make sure to go for the one that gives you the lowest MS. And in this case, for me, it's selected perfectly, so I'm gonna stick with that. If you have the same thing, so the servers actually are on low ping, and you still have the internet problems or ping problems, you can open your settings and navigate to the other, where you can run your internet diagnostics. So it will tell you the exact ping for your internet, and if the server gives you higher ping, that means you might need to call your internet provider or upgrade your internet. If the ping is okay but you still have the lags in game, that means there's lots of people playing the game right now, and it may cause issues with high ping problems in the game. So that is basically everything.